Moving on, next we are going to see Gobo, a nice simple way to manage your social media, and it will be presented by David Harper.
Good morning. Good morning from Los Angeles. I'm David Harper. I'm here to talk today about Gobo's cross-posting capabilities. So when we're talking about cross-posting, we're talking about this kind of platform interoperation. As an author, you want to reach out to different communities running on different platforms out on the web. And we are all part of one web, but some days it might not feel like that. So Gobo, the aim of Gobo is to provide the software and affordances, kind of try to bridge that gap. So let's do a cross post. So I'll go over here to a new post here. I'll write my hello world post. Oops. And then I can select the platforms that I'm interested in publishing to. So there's the Mastodon.social social network, my persona on Hackhyderm, on Blue Sky, and if you scroll down here, there's some configuration options for how you'd like to configure that post there. And then if you scroll a little bit further, you see a preview. We've prepared like a rough emulation for what that looks like, for what your post will look like on a given target platform. We can also target ats for people. So I'm going to rewrite this as a good morning post for good morning from FediForum. And I can direct this and that opens a new window down here, at Chand, who's my business partner and leader of Gobo. Chand has a couple of personas out there on the web, but Gobo is able to resolve those and sort of perform the autocomplete to find him. And it's able to associate that identity with the correct target platform. And you can see that resolved here as two different personas in the different previews. So now we're ready. So now we'll hit publish and watch that go. And and we see here that we have a delivery page here. So we have a proof of the post, just to sort of see what was this post, and we're able to look at the different target platforms and see when they were delivered or a report of a failure to deliver. So we get to see that whole package, all that packaged up here, and you'll notice that we have these buttons here. We're able to open these up and see a preview it'll take you right to the post that got made. And we can also delete them from here too, if you'd like. So this button here will also delete them. And you'll see an update there where it's processing, and then it'll let you know when it completed. And we can go back over here and voila, fantastic. So this was one post. Threading is also an important aspect for social media authoring. So in this case, I want to take another go of this. Instead of this message, I want to write something longer. So I'm going to borrow some text from here, and then you'll see that Gobo allows you to edit posts as sort of larger blocks of text, and then address the issue of dividing the text into different posts on different platforms. And we're able to kind of keep track of the character count in each post. And you see we're over the limit. So we came up with this concept called thread points. So when you add a thread point here, you're able to have this dividing line, and you're able to just kind of drag it around wherever you want, right? And you can also dismiss it if you want. And it makes sense in this case, I think, to try to set up some thread points on the paragraph breaks here. And that almost gets us what we want, but we see that this blue sky doesn't quite fit into this blue sky post. but the thread points are platform specific, right? So they don't have to go together. And so we can split we can shift the blue sky thread point over and make sure that our character counts match up. We can have that divided at a reasonable place. And then down here in the previews, we'll have a rendering of a thread, and they'll see that there'll be a difference between the way it's rendered on Blue Sky here and on Mastodon. And then this is a complete, uh, or no, we're ready to go again. So we'll go ahead and hit publish, and it will publish the proof again with the different thread points rendered, and we'll have this view here. And we can go here, and we have the thread.
Great.
So that should do it for this demo. Yeah, thank you for your attention. This is live now at gobo.social, gobo.social. We are in sort of a soft beta right now. You can go and try it out for yourself for free, and we're going to be rolling out more information in the coming next couple of weeks or so.